From this point on, all of your CAD work needs to be precise. Let's start working in a precise way by designing a new symbol. We'll go Draw and Circle and pick Circle Radius. And we're being asked for the center point of the circle. Well, GardenCAD works with a coordinate system where X runs out to the right and Y goes straight up, just like a piece of graph paper. So if we type 0, 0 and hit the Enter key as the center of the circle, and it's being anchored at that 0, 0, an X value of 0 and a Y value of 0. Now it wants the radius, so we type in 500 because all of these symbols in GardenCAD, when you bring them in, are 1 meter in diameter. We'll do a separate set of symbols for the imperial system, and we'll make them 3 units or 3 feet in diameter. But I digress. We can't see the circle. Where is it? We need to right click and pick Zoom Extents. Now we can see the circle. We can use the information and distance and click somewhere near there and go across, and you'll see that's the diameter of that circle is very close to 1 meter. You can also get other information, area from a pick, and drawing information and location data, and we'll talk about those as we go. But the point here is this is a symbol that is precisely 1 meter in canopy diameter. And you already know that you could dress that one up a little with some extra lines. So we could go draw a line. We could be neat and precise and go from 0, 0 and come out here, and maybe another line from 0, 0 and come out through there. And we could even take those 2 lines and we could copy them, and it's asking us for a base point. Let's go 0, 0, and we can copy them over there and pop them down. Then we'd have to rotate them into position, and there's a neater trick. You can say pick those 2. I'll zoom in a little so to make it easier. Pick the 2 and modify and rotate. Base point 0, 0, still in the center of that circle. And now if we hold either our control or our shift key, can't remember, we'll try it. The control key down, control, and control key down, we make multiple copies of that pair of lines. We can get rid of this group by selecting them, right-clicking and erase. Now we have a symbol for a plant. It's a brand new symbol, and we can wrap a box around here, create block, and call it Plant 01, and we can OK it. Now we've got a symbol when we click on it. Now it's one object, and clearly we can copy it very, very easily, like so. We could then scale those, making them smaller. We can rotate them like so, spin them around to make the whole design look a little different. Can you see that this symbol is precisely 1 meter in canopy diameter? You might at this stage like to try our library and pick the plant selector and just pick, say, block number 3, position it over that first symbol there and drop it in. Can you see it's gone in 1 meter straight over the top of the one that we drew? So we'd like to you to save your symbol and pop it up into your Google Docs space for us to comment on.